Welcome back everyone. In today's video I will unbox and assemble IKEA base cabinet, article number 502-65390. We'll use the knife to open the box, a hammer, screwdriver, impact driver with PZ bit, a pin nailer and square. Inside the box we can find instruction. Always follow instruction. This video just get familiar what inside and how process look like overall. One gable, rail, floor piece, another gable, baking piece. It's open up like that. We'll put it aside, and box with hardware. All the screws, nuts, nails, brackets, covers which you will need for assembly and installation. Direct those pieces with the groove outside here and here. Follow the instructions to find the special screws and location or holes where you need to apply them. I do in your case you need into the floor, so first screws, then assemble. It's like U-shape. This groove for baking line up with the groove on the gable, then line up all the holes and put the floor piece into the holes. Special nuts, put them in corresponding holes, 1 and 2. Them rotate them 180-degree clockwise, 180-degree clockwise until you cannot rotate them anymore. Put together the gable with the floor, put those lock nuts into the hole and clockwise until you cannot rotate. Alright, clockwise. Alright, done. Next step, to put a baking piece, not really slide from the top, but like manage to get into the sides, and then it will get into groove in the floor. So next thing, open up those rails. Then we have special clips. Click, another click, and somewhere in the middle another click. So then connect everything like baking piece in those inside those clips, and screw those screws again. Then or in this video on I will put this front rail in, so just align with the holes and put the screw into the hole. I found that more handy to use the square. Just put the square inside, then you see that it's square after that. When you make sure that it's square, put the nails. This is so right. That's it. The cabinet is assembled. So IKEA has two spacers here, but I'm not putting them right now because I will check the wall first, and if wall is plumb then I will put them. If it's not, then I will see if I really need them. Okay, it took me 13 minutes 20 seconds to assemble this cabinet. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and we'll see you in next video.